In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up app layout grids in Figma. By the end, you'll have a clean, consistent grid that keeps your mobile UI aligned, readable, and easy to scale. Grids are the invisible structure behind polished interfaces, helping you place elements with intention and maintain consistent spacing across screens. Start by opening your design in Figma. If you are working from a blank canvas, that's fine too. The process is the same. Next, create a frame. Press the F key to activate the frame tool, then choose a mobile device preset from the options on the right. Using a preset ensures your frame matches common screen dimensions, which helps your grid translate well to real devices. With the frame selected, look to the right-hand panel for Layout Grid. Click the plus button to add your first grid. Then click the small grid icon next to it to open the settings and switch the grid type to columns. This sets up the vertical structure you'll use to align cards, images, and text blocks. Configure the columns with a count of 4. 4 columns are a common choice for mobile because they're flexible while staying simple. Set the type to stretch so the columns flex to fill the frame width. For the margin, choose 16 or 20 on both sides. This creates a comfortable edge space, keeping content from feeling cramped near the screen borders. Finally, set the gutter to 16. The gutter is the space between columns, and a consistent gutter helps establish your spacing rhythm. As you tweak these values, watch how the guides update on the canvas so you get a feel for the structure you are creating. Now add the horizontal guidance that helps with vertical rhythm. Click the plus button in Layout Grid again and select Rows. In the settings, adjust the row count to suit how finely you want to divide the screen's vertical space. Change the color and opacity so the rows are visible without overpowering your design. Subtle is best, so the grid supports your work rather than distracts from it. Set a gutter for the rows as well to define the vertical spacing between them. This combination of columns and rows creates a clear grid system you can rely on for consistent spacing, balanced layouts, and quicker decision-making as you place components. That's it. Thanks for watching.